Hi Internet friends, this is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions bringing you today's Tech Tip Tuesday. Today's a unique situation where I'm modeling and drawing this kitchen remodel project, and we've got the new wall, a new 2x6 wall, is going in front of the existing exterior wall. And this is unique because we've got these windows here that will have jamb extensions added on, custom jamb extensions, but then what it's doing is an interior elevation. I took a wall elevation of this and, well, let me come back and show you. Instead of cross section or back clipped cross section, say that 3 times fast, I took the wall elevation. So that's just this wall, just this floor, right? We don't see the trim and the window itself. I could do a couple different things. I could take a cross section and turn that into I've done this before, turn it into a CAD detail and just copy the lines of the windows that are there. But the thought hit me that this wall elevation just shows this room. And so I'm going to double click on this wall, and I'm going to make this wall become a no room definition wall. Therefore, the wall that's defining the kitchen for me then is the exterior wall, which has the window units in that. I'm going to click OK. Chief does its work. Now, for some reason, this backsplash, this wall material region or custom backsplash, does not really want to work properly. So I'm going to delete it and I'm going to draw another custom backsplash and just see what happens here. The same thing happens as we had before. For some reason it goes around the trim of this window and the apron, which I don't really want that to do that. But I've got no choice in the matter for what Chief is doing. Now some of you might throw up your hands and say, Chief is no good, another stupid workaround. I'm tired of it. And I agree. I'm tired of it too. But I'm not going to buy another software package. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to show you what workaround I'm going to do as a quick solution. I'm going to paint this subway tile material texture. And this is what I'm going to do. I am going to turn this into a CAD detail. I'm going to delete everything except for that tile pattern. I'm even going to delete the edges of the tile, the border. I'm going to turn on my selection tool that shows select contained objects. Go like that. I just want the gray tile pattern lines. Now I'm going to select all of them, and I'm going to Command C. I'm on a Mac, so if you're on a PC, you use Control C. Go back to my elevation, and Command Option V or Control Alt V on your PC. That is the paste hold position solution there. Now these are on the CAD default patterns layer. I'm going to go into that layer, CAD default, we'll call it default lines, because I don't care about the layer patterns so much. I'm going to draw an outline of where I want the patterns to go to, right? So I'm going to outline this. And hey, you're right. I agree. This is a really kind of sucky workaround. But I think this is faster than any other option that I know of. I would be curious if you have an idea or have run into this very thing. Let me know. I'm curious what you've got. Now that I've selected this line, though, I can take this pattern line and pull it all the way across underneath the sill of the window, and I'm going to extend that on a fence right there. I'm going to select this line, and I'm going to extend the fence again. Don't want that. I'm going to trim now to a fence. Okay, so instead of selecting the whole line, because that's going to, that takes the pattern all the way across to this right side, I'm going to select this, and I'm going to do what's disconnect the selected edge down here, and then I'm going to extend fence. There we go. I'm going to disconnect this selected edge again, extend fence. Eight inches, so I'm going to move this over 8. Down. I'm going to do the array or copy multiple copy. We're going to copy this about the center of this outline of the window casing, about the center of the hood, which is centered on the windows, right? So we're going to disconnect selected edge, extend the trim, fence, disconnect, extend, fence. Fence. Multiple copy. Oh, that's not what I want actually. Disconnect that and then multiple copy. That's what's going on. Last but not least, this is on No, I don't have. I have not sent it yet. I'm going to send this to layout, entire plan view, 1/2" scale. Zoom in. We're going to edit this layout, and we'll delete the lines that the chief is creating, so it won't be confusing in the layout. And now we have the drawing that actually works for what we need to do. Hey, I hope this has been helpful. If you have ideas on this, please leave a comment below and let me know. I'm always looking for better ideas as well. If it has been helpful to you or you learned something new, please leave me an encouragement with a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe and you'll get these videos each week as I release them. Otherwise, have a wonderful week.